To Chill House by X11 Design Studio in Vietnam. In developing urban areas with high construction density, the lack of natural light in tube houses can make the space feel stuffy and disconnected. The To Chill House, designed for a 3-generation family, prioritizes optimal functionality and promotes a strong connection between nature and its inhabitants. The architect has created 3 breathing spaces at the front, back, and middle of the house. A void along the vertical axis allows these spaces to have direct contact with natural light and ventilation. Additionally, a skylight in the middle connects the common spaces with the living spaces above. Green spaces are seamlessly integrated with other functions, fostering a connection between nature and daily activities. This provides a friendly and comfortable living environment for children to exercise, study, and observe the surrounding nature. In addition to the gardens, balconies are arranged alternately. The endpoint of the journey on the 3rd floor opens up to a large courtyard, serving as an extension of the interior space, where private life melds with the exterior. Here, the whole family can tend to the garden together and connect with friends every weekend. The garden, porch, and buffer spaces, combined with chrysanthemum curtains, also help mitigate issues of heat radiation, hot dry winds, and limited rainfall. The interior spaces still offer airy views and are adorned with greenery. The To Chill House embraces the beauty of simplicity, combining a minimalist and balanced architectural style. Natural elements play a crucial role in creating a unique architectural space that is both simple and rustic, providing a sense of peace to those living in a sunlit and green-filled home.